Hello my friends, welcome to AllbyOly Design, where I share free tutorials about alteration, upcycle, dresses, redesign and much more. Don't forget to subscribe to see a lot of new videos that are upcoming soon. Today I want to show you a short, quick tutorial how to taper legs on jeans. Since I have a order to finish for today, let me show you how to do it. Maybe somebody need it. Don't forget to like the video and comment because your comments really help me to give energy, support my channel, and just encourage me to do what I do. Thank you so much one more time, and let's get started. Before tapering the legs, you want to make sure to see where you have the top stitch. For example, in my case, it was in seam, so I will taper only in seam. If the jeans, for example, doesn't have no top stitches on each side, then we have to divide that amount and then taper both sides. In my case, I have 7 inches sample of the jeans. This is how wide my customer wanted. So this is my inseam, and as you see here I have a top stitch, so I will not touch it. Then at the seam that we can taper, I will have to open a little bit the hem so I can taper the jeans. First, I will fold the jeans and make sure it's flat, and then I will mark 7 inches how much I have to taper them. So from this measurement, let's say if I need 1 inch to taper, then I want to make sure 1.5 inches to open the original hem. Sometimes I have to remove all hem and redo it all, but if it's something simple and a dark color, then I can do it just a little bit and then just put it back as it was. The easiest way is to use the seam ripper and carefully to remove the stitches. Next, I will take a longer ruler and from the mark that I marked, a little bit higher than the knee, but also depends how customer want it. Sometimes if it fits very well and slim on the hips area, then you can taper until the knee. If we can go a little higher, then we can go a little higher. And then I will just mark from the exactly seam to the line that I marked. And I will mark the other leg as well. I want to show you the example of different type of jeans. As you see, this is a top stitch, so we're not going to taper here, we're going to taper here. But we will open the hem because it's original hem, and original hem they usually sew the detail to the pants. As you see, the pants have a seam right here, so I will have to remove this part and then I will be able to taper the pants and then taper the hem separate and then sew it back together. So it really depends if the jeans was done before, or the best way is actually to taper is the jeans where it was not alteration done before, and you can easily remove the hem, taper, and then put back the stitch how it was originally. After I marked the taper leg, I'm gonna do the top stitch, and then I have to remove the old stitch with a seam ripper. If the customer is requesting to leave extra fabric, then I will leave 3/4 on each side, but if not, then after sewing the side of the taper leg, I will cut the extra fabric and leave 1/2 inch. After all, I will serge the edges and we are ready to finish our hem. Also, don't forget, before you do the hem, we have to finish and press the seam. For example, I'm gonna use my pressing board and then I will put it on it, and then with the iron I will press allowance open and make sure all it's flat and quality pressed. Then you can see our hem is open too, so we're gonna fold it just originally how it was, and we're gonna do the top stitch. So for easier way to top stitch is to press it well to make sure it's straight and make sure the allowance are flatter, because otherwise it will feel too thick under the sewing machine needle and you don't want to break it. And then I will tap stitch that little teeny tiny spot and our jeans are done. I will also press it a little bit the edges and that's all. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this and let me know in the comments what you think and what else would you like to learn.